Hello everyone. Today I am going to explain some examples related to the previous classes. Okay, in last classes we have seen how to construct, how to draw, how to plot the graph into the graph paper. Okay, that means different kinds of graph. So let me explain one example related to the same. See here. Draw frequency polygon from the following frequency distributions. Now we have to draw a frequency polygon. You remember it was of two types. First, using the histogram, and the second one is what? Without using the histogram. Now the second one is what? This is the B part. Without using histogram. Okay, so see here, the first I have constructed over here using the histogram. So first all of you plot this histogram. So class interval along the x-axis and frequency along the y-axis. Okay, the class interval it is 10 to 20. So I have considered 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, up to 80. Here we have to 70, but we need one more extra class mark, that is up to the 80. So first you have plot this histogram. Okay, all of you know 10 to 12. 10 to 12 is equal to what? 4. 10 to 12 frequency is what? 4. So 4 to what? 4 and 0 to 20 class interval will lies in this column. Okay. Similarly, 20 to 30, 4, 8, 20 to 30, 4, 8. Similarly, 30 to 40, 12. Hope all of you are able to construct the histogram. And after constructed histogram, we need to construct x, y data. That means x column and y column data. That means see here. The first we have here the class interval. First we have provided the class interval. It is not given from the 0, but I have considered from 0 to 10, 10 to 20, up to 70 to 80. And the second column it is the class mark. How to draw the class mark? That means lower class limit plus upper class limit divided by 2. Lower class limit plus upper class limit divided by 2. That means 0 plus 10 is equal to what? 5. In the same way you draw this column. Alright. In the frequency f is already provided 0 to 10, there is no frequency, that means it will be 0. So frequency column will be provided to you. Okay. And now this will be work for the x-axis and this will be work for the y-axis. That means for x it is the 5 and y it is the 0. So this will be x lies in between 0 to 10 will be 5 and y will be 0. So first coordinate will be 5, 0. Now the second one 15, 4. So 15, that means in between 20 to 30 will be 25 and frequency is what? 4. So it is here. Just this histogram, this column, you draw one circular point and write the corresponding coordinate 15 to 4. 15, 4. Similarly 25 to 8. 25 to 8, similarly 35 to 12, 35 to 12, similarly 45 to 10, 45 to 10, and then 55 to 7, 55 to 7, and then 65 to 4, 65 to 4, and then 75 to 0, 75 to 0. Is it clear? And after done this coordinate, just join all the points by using the scale or by using the free hand curve. So you just join this one, that means in this way. Just join this one. Okay, so this is the histogram using, this is the frequency polygon using the histogram. Okay. And now the second part without using the histogram. That means this column will be not included. That means exclude this part. and rest of the point remain same. That means 5 comma 0. See here, 5 comma 0, 15 comma 4, it is also here. 25 comma 8, it is also here, and 35 comma 12, it is also here. 45 comma 10, it is also here, and 55 comma 7, it is also here. 65 comma 4, it is also here, and then 75 comma 0, it is also here. 75 comma 0, it is also here. And just do the same thing. What? Just join one coordinate to the another coordinate by using the scale or without using the scale. Is it clear? Just do it. So join from these 2 points. Again join from these 2 points. Join this point, this point, this point, this point, and lastly this point. So this is a what? Frequency polygon without using histogram. Okay. So please all of you try to solve the exercise what? 18b. Is it clear? Hope all of you are able to do this exercise very carefully. So please make a note and try to solve all the exercise. That means 18a and 18b. 18a do in the copy and 18b do in the graph copy or graph paper. Just please go for it, and please first all of you make a note this one and try to solve exercise 19b. Thank you. Now and tomorrow I will start mean and median. That means chapter 19. Okay, please go through it.